Today's topic: how to create a new project in Mendix. Type Sprinter Mendix in browser and press Enter. Select the Mendix Sprinter dashboard. Enter the username and password and press Sign In. Select the Create App button on the right corner. Select the blank web app to create a blank new project. Click Select this template. Enter the app name suitable for the project. Click Create App. An error pops when using special characters. Remove the special character and select Create App. Your project will be created on the server. In order to create project in your local system, select Edit in Studio Pro button. And you should have a Mendix installed in your system. If you don't have the particular Mendix version installed, click on the link provided in the message box. Select the Download for Windows button and install the downloaded application file. Double-click the app file Mendix 10.5. Click Next. Select the Agree Boolean and click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Install. Wait for the installation to complete. Click Finish. A new Mendix project will be created in your local system. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.